Hi, I'm Lindsay. Welcome to Love Them Well. Today I want to share with you what we are doing in 6th and 7th math here at the beginning of the school year. First of all, we are reviewing our multiplication tables. We are doing the Mad Minute. I have this for free on my Teachers Pay Teachers page. You can go grab it. It is fantastic. We are focusing on one number at a time. So we're doing the 2s, then the 3s, and the 4s. So at the beginning of the week, I give them a practice. That is set 1, and that is for them to study on their own. And then there's set 2, that is the quiz at the end of the week. With the Mad Minute, I do go through 12s, but I do not assess the 1s, 10s, or 11s because I figure those are easy enough and they're being assessed with all the other tests. And then once we finish those 1 through 12, they will do the mixture of all of them. And that doesn't happen till probably December or January. So yes, I am doing this for both 6th and 7th grade. I did it last year at the beginning of the year, and I thought it was so helpful just to review those facts because I know that a lot of students know them, but some of them still need help remembering them, and it's best to have them quick so that when you're doing math, it's quick. And so we don't want to be using the multiplication table still in 6th and 7th grade, trying to figure out the answers to basic multiplication problems. And then I like to do a fun review for the beginning of the year with an art project as well. So I found this Walk in the Desert project from Teachers Pay Teachers. Again, it was for free. And the students go through and answer questions. And then as they're answering the questions, related to this walk in the desert that they're taking, they're also drawing the scene. So the very first question, you are walking in the desert and you see 5 cacti. Draw them on your paper. Make sure that 2 are 8.5 inches tall and 3 are 5.5 inches tall. Each has 12 spikes. How many spikes are there in all? So the students are measuring, so right away they're letting you know, do they remember how to use a ruler? And of course this is 6th grade, so they do. I like to keep the review nice and simple so that they are not overwhelmed at the beginning of the year. This question says, you walk past 6 coyotes, 1/3 of the coyotes have cubs. How many coyotes have cubs? Now draw the mother cubs. And then they do. So at the end, they have this beautiful picture. I loved this idea when I saw that from that teacher. So I made one that we're gonna be doing in the fall, and it's a pumpkin patch project. There are 2 levels. The first one is multi-digit addition and subtraction, and the other one is 7th grade basic skills. There's a question, a place for the students to show the work, and then what they're supposed to do on their paper. By the end, they've created a beautiful pumpkin patch on a sheet of paper. And I love this because not only are you doing math, but you're also doing following instructions. Even in 7th grade, that's still important. So this is just a fun art project to do along with math. And I'm telling you this now, I'll probably explain it in another video too when I get closer to fall. But in case you're planning for the fall, this might be something you want to go grab for late September, early October. We have a new math curriculum this year at our school, and it is Reveal Math by McGraw-Hill. I will be reviewing this curriculum very soon, but I did want to show you, there's the 7th grade book, it's called Course 2, and then 6th grade book, Course 1. I'm so glad we got this curriculum because there's so much online support, and I want to tell you guys all about it. It's really fun. The challenges that come along with the new curriculum are figuring out what you wind up using, what you don't need to use, and maybe that'll change with each module. They're called modules, not chapters. What I love too is that everything is online if your classroom is a 1-to-1 with Chromebooks. We are not, so we have workbooks that the kids use, but if a student does not take their book home, everything's online. So I will be reviewing that soon. I'm definitely a fan, and I will also let you know if I think it works for homeschool. So this is what we're doing the first few weeks of math here in 6th and 7th grade. I hope you guys are all having a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.